cemetery located in Dunellen, Florida. It's called Dunellen Memorial Gardens. And I looked up to see if there's any notable people in here, and there's at least one person that is buried in here. He's an actor. I'm gonna go inside and see if I can find the grave and see what else we can find while we're inside. This arch. All right, let's go see. Honoring our veterans. This memorial established by the American Legion, dedicated to the veterans of all wars. I'm just going to do a walking tour of this cemetery. I tried finding the particular grave that I'm looking for on Find a Grave, but it doesn't seem like it's pinpointing the exact location. So we'll just wing it, see what we can find. Oh, look at this. Somehow this thing got knocked over. Oh, there we go. That works. That's better. Here's another one in need of repair right here. Oh, that's broken. That is actually broken. There's no way I can fix this right now. I'll just lay it next to it for now. Oh, look at this one. One good thing about music, when it hits, you feel no pain. Guitar right there. Some notes. That's pretty neat. Yeah, it looks like a lot of these just break. Probably just weathered. Oh, look at that. This one's neat. I forgot the tools. Is that what that means? To fix his truck? Guy Wilbur. Rest in peace. That's a neat one. Here's another cool one. Fish in a football. Number 55. Greg Harry, 1992 to 2006. Here's another one with a fish and little fishing boat with the person fishing off of the boat. And right here, what do we have? What does it say? If tears could build a stairway and memories a lane, I'd walk right up to heaven to see you again. Wow. R.I.P. Okay, I found who I was looking for, but I just realized there's a house, someone's residence right next door, and it's pretty loud, so it's butting up right against the cemetery right here. But the person I was looking for is right here. Michael Roof. He was born in 1976 and died in 2009. So I believe that these right here are symbols of the performing arts. I'm not exactly sure. I kind of think that's what that means. But it's kind of, I think there's a fresh burial that happened right next to his grave, and that's why the whole thing is just kind of like the same colored sand right here. But from what I researched, Michael Roof was in the movie The Dukes of Hazzard. I think it might have been 2005 or something like that, with Johnny Knoxville, Jessica Simpson, and Burt Reynolds, Sean William Scott. Right next to him, there's a name of the person, Daisy. But yeah, I'll go around and see what else I can find in this graveyard. I watched the movie, but I don't remember. I'm going to have to rewatch it and see what parts he had in it. But he was also in some other movies. Yeah. Oh, rest in peace, Michael. Here's another fish. That's a redfish. Jacqueline Locklear and Kenneth Townsend. There's a buck. R.I.P. Oh, what's going on over here? Let's get close to that spot. I see a lot of colors. Here's a little bench, and right in front of it we have Victor Matos III, security guard. Whoa. Wow. We have the Hulk. Two Hulks right here. R.I.P. Here's a very decorative, colorful gravesite right here. Wow. That looks pretty neat right there. R.I.P. Okay, I'm walking through a little patch right here because I see this big oak tree with a bunch of tombstones underneath. Nice little spot here. I wonder what all of these squares are. Just going down the line right here. I'm not sure what that's for. But look at this. This one's really neat. Heart design right in the center. Right underneath the big oak tree right here. All right, that is going to do it for today's video. I'll catch you in the next one. It's getting dark out here. Gets dark early. Okay.